What the? Oh. Oh man. Last night was brutal. Hey Ollie.
Good morning.
How are you? How is my other shoe?
I'm good.
I have the worst headache ever.
Yeah, things got a little out of hand last night.
What happened?
I don't know. You'll have to. We have a meeting in like half an hour.
Oh. I am. You know when you sleep in the clothes you had on the day before? You know when you sleep in the clothes you had on the day before. It was a rough night. It's gross and raining today. You guys, I have a meeting apparently in like half an hour. I'm just gonna play you whatever we find on this video. This isn't gonna be some crazy supercar video because it's not. We just went out and absolutely tore up the Vegas Strip. Just check it out. What's up guys? Welcome to Las Vegas. We got the Bellagio to my right, Paris to my left. We're having an epic time. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. This is a great view of the fountain. Super sketchy, by the way, standing on top of a van driving down the strip. I highly recommend you don't do this. What up, man? What are you doing up there? I don't know. I just got crazy views. We're just out here having a great time. Yeah, I'm coming down.
Into the restroom. Where's Damon?
He's in the bathroom.
Where's the bathroom? Hey.
Oh, that would be funny.
What you doing?
That would be fun if you literally vlogged me while I was pissing. No! No! Oh my god! I can't believe you got me, Brian. Cameraman, during the urinal scene right there, meet Brian, everybody. What's up? By the way, Brian's got Car Ninja on Instagram. Go check him out.
Out here trapping, getting it, turn to work the benches. Always surrender. I tried to get a job, but I didn't get it. So I'm out here getting it. I chose the life I'm living. Gold balls, bad balls. I chose the life I'm living. Gold balls with the rocks. I chose the life I'm living. 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 I have no patience cause the time that I miss. Ain't no time for no games. Go rounds like I did it. My mama need me, my nephews, my little sisters. So I'm jugging like I'm Scooter. Man, I'm getting to that moolah. If you're in the way, you better move. Cause I'm killing it's so cruel. And I'm crying pussy like food. I don't sleep, no snooze. Cause I'm trying to win, not lose. Vacations on cruise. It take patience, I know. Down south, me and my
Okay guys, we're all gonna go hang out. Where are we going next? We're gonna go to Paris? Yeah, that'll be good. Okay, we're gonna head to Paris.
Cause this is life I chose. Cause this is life I chose. I chose the life I'm living. Out here trapping, getting it. Turn to work the Benjis. Always insurance.
Vegas is the one place you're gonna come to. Doesn't matter how old you are, you'll get ID'd. It makes you feel so good. You got a fake ID though.
Life I'm living. Cold minds with the rocks. I chose the life I'm living.
Oh my, almost lit Matt on fire.
You guys do me a favor and put this.
We have a feast, look at this. Amazing tuna pizza here. Hotel with jalapeno.
Fucking kidding me? 3, 2, go. Go. Holy shit.
Dinner was amazing, you guys. Now we're gonna head out for the rest of the evening. High fives. We're trying to pick up a limo right now. Oh, the limo's here. What do you guys think?
I think it's pretty fucking legit.
I think it's too small.
Oh my god.
That's our ride for the night. You just said it's illegal to drive without alcohol?
It's illegal to drive in a party bus without alcohol.
Woo! Woo! We gotta get some alcohol for the limo bus, and then we're gonna go to Old Vegas. From Old Vegas, we're gonna tear it up, then go back to the strip. You guys, you gotta come to
5-star liquor.
5-Star Liquor on Flamingo in Vegas. They got everything. It's the one-stop shop. We gotta grab the red bottle.
Yeah.
What's in the red bottle?
It's electrolytes, B vitamins, and potassium.
Never too hungover. You have to come here. This guy is legit.
So we'll do shots right now on film.
Oh, we need how many would you project we need of that? 2? 3?
Thank you. All right, gentlemen.
No, smell. I didn't say it tasted good. I just said it worked.
Yes, brother. High five up top.
I didn't say it.
Yeah, why do we crack 2 of them, Justin?
Like,
I didn't.
smell it.
It tastes like watered down yellow Gatorade. I swear.
Smell.
It smells rank.
My breath smells like. Do you want a hangover or do you want to for 2 seconds?
Smell it.
Oh my god!
This gentleman's been very patient.
You
look like you're ready to kick us out.
We're mellow compared to what some people are like. 1, 2, 3, cheers.
No hangover.
It does taste not bad.
Well, it tastes better than it smells.
Yeah.
The smell is bad.
Use a shot that. Oh, never mind.
Oh man, Damon, what are you doing?
Oh, my face is gonna smell like piss.
Guys, be safe out here.
Indeed.
Thank you.
Alright.
1 hour later, we're out of here. Look at this thing. Monster.
I've been drinking, no driving while texting and speeding.
Started from the bottom, now my whole team's fucking here.
I hold the control. All this Coca Patron, I'm on Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron. I've been drinking, no driving while texting and speeding. I swear that I ain't going home. If you hold on my phone, it won't leave me alone. I'm like Steve, I'm like Coca Patron. I'm on that Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron. I've been drinking, no driving while texting and speeding. I swear that I ain't going home. If you hold on my phone, it won't leave me alone. I'm like Steve, I'm like Coca Patron. I'm on that Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron.
Welcome to Las Vegas, everybody.
I've been hiding my soul, no eyes on my scope. I'm hiding your hopes and inviting your hoes. I hold that control. All this Coca Patron, I'm hiding my soul, no eyes on my scope. I'm hiding your hopes and inviting your hoes. I hold that control. All this Coca Patron, feel like I go boom, curse my cologne. I just opened the zone, smoking the low, so till it's gone. Oh girl on my phone won't leave me alone. She say I treated her wrong. See I don't believe it.
Oh, you guys, we had an awesome time.
Outside of my own.
What's up?
I'm out of control. They put all these loans. Time to get back on the road. See this success get it sold. I'm scratching them off, just like the jackpot I'm on. Y'all touch on back on the wall. I made a bet with the Lord. Wouldn't trade no racks on my soul. I can't move backwards for y'all. Ruger on me for the niggas who after the boys shit finna come blast me. I know my niggas asking for war. What kind of action you on? We might get this at your front door. What are you actually on? When we come with stress of our swords, reminiscing playing basketball at the course for the gas. Now we drive for a sport. They get your bows in the jersey with forces of Jordans was actually on. Nike and Reebok the classes was.
Are we in Vegas?
Together.
Right?
Guys.
Right, dude?
Should I fix one of the lanterns?
No, definitely not. If you know the know-how, don't. I think you should. Justin,
What?
you should.
Don't.
You should.
It's
Do you want to?
feasible.
You should. Do you really want to pay the deposit on this
I'll
house?
fix it. I'm not gonna
How
hang-
are you gonna fix it?
I'm not gonna do what Rick Ross did.
Okay, what are you doing?
Fixing.
You see that slide?
Yeah.
That's
not necessary
That's
right
meant
now.
to be there.
It's a
Well-
it's a carabiner, guys. Look. See? It's a carabiner.
Yeah. Just leave it.
We're pretty smart gentlemen, right?
Right, either we go up
Or we go to bed.
or we go to bed. I'm kind of in the latter
Yeah.
personally because we're not going to achieve much more because nothing usually good happens at this time.
Yeah.
Right now, we're discussing the length of the lamps.
There's a carabiner on there. No, length. Not of this. This is good. I'm talking those the light lanterns.
You know what? I have to vote. Go to bed. You know, more logical.
It's logical. I give you that.
Are you recording this?
Nope.
Okay.
Logic is one thing.
What? So Damon, are you vlogging?
Shout out to the outro squad. We got a few options now while you're here. Definitely smash the subscribe button over to your left and turn on the notification bell so you know when we drop our latest upload. Check out our merchandise on our store at dailydrivenexotics.com. Go and browse the other videos in the archived playlist, or just click on the next suggested video right here, and you guys keep watching my pretty face.